front or rear?
The front did not look like it was pulling. There it goes.
So many shifters and I don't know what to do with them all.
All right. There is some science happening here. Oh look what we're driving. The blue truck.
Oh, blue. It's running again.
Look how many shifters it has.
Alrighty, we're heading up to Fence and Things to check out a Toyota lost the lower ball joint. Looks like it broke a couple of bolts. I know we got the easy out kit in the truck. We are, as you can tell, driving Blue. Blue has been in the shop for about a month, getting some upgrades done to it. And so we got Sean and Trailmater behind us.
I'm driving Trailmater.
And me and Mike are in Blue, and we're heading up here. Look at all these fancy shifters right here. Look at all this. Yeah, so we're gonna test out the new doubler. So now it has true two-wheel drive, and it has the doubler, and coming soon are lockers. We have the lockers at the shop, we just gotta get them installed. So let's get it back to working, and let's go check out this truck.
Somebody broke their lower 4 bolts on the Toyota.
How you doing?
Good? All right.
Do I get that stuff with you, or?
We should have everything to easy out those bolts and get that out of
Oh
there.
yeah, they're spinning already.
Tried it a couple times, then the other Tacoma and a Cherokee did it, no problem. So I was like, well, now I gotta do
I
it.
gotta do it.
And I was just got to that first step, and I was just kind of hopping there for a second, and that driver's side loaded up enough and just snapped those guys off.
There you go.
That's what I get for using the O'Reilly bolts.
Yeah.
The ball joint's okay, but the bolts are the weak point.
Yeah, for sure.
What's up?
Hey, how you
Hey,
doing?
camera guy.
Neutral, e-brake off.
Yep. It doesn't exist.
Then it's off. Then it's off.
So what do you think? How you like driving the Trailmater?
That's the longest I ever drove this truck.
Yeah?
Was from there to here.
Nice.
The furthest.
New record.
New record.
Look at all this rhubarb. That's rhubarb.
Which is super crazy. But the O'Reilly's,
It's an awkward one.
that are through holes, you can spin.
A little too big.
Well, if we get everything easied out,
They can run in town.
yeah, they can run in town and get bolts
We don't have any.
to ever back.
UCD.
Right.
We want to put better bolts.
No, there was nothing wrong with the bolts.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
They just loosen like the
This is the most common failure on Toyotas, whether it's straight axle or IFS.
Really?
These bolts loosen. You don't notice they're loose. The ball joint sits there and wiggles at it until it breaks them over time.
Oh. Red one.
You probably put it through the hero, not in like the best.
Start getting a little bit, make sure you really good.
And then Mike's favorite tool,
Which one was that?
ladyfinger.
Oh, yes.
Not my fault. Mike just likes it.
So what do we got? One more?
We've got one that is not playing nice.
That's not nice.
So that one's not coming out. So best you getting is 3 bolts.
You know, 3 out of 4 ain't bad.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
All right, you got the new shaft ready to go in?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey.
Looky there.
My wheel is not spinning.
My wheel is not happy.
Oh, I swing and I missed that.
You're close, you're close.
Yeah, I missed that one.
Closer, closer. Okay, that'll work. We can work with that.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
I'm pretty lazy. Are you sure?
I mean, a small rotation. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's the stuff.
Or
Just like that, back in action. Looks like you got our little rock pecker hole here.
So yeah, that was a pretty simple one. Wasn't even on the trail. Just right there in the campground. But the trail runs through the campground. We hooked onto it. We moved it out of the road so it wasn't blocking traffic. Took it to their campsite, fixed it, got it back together for them so they can keep driving. So like a little handy PSA to all you Toyota drivers. I'm not being mean to the Toyota guys. Check your ball joint bolts, whether it's straight axle or IFS. Always check your ball joint bolts because they like to back out and get loose. Then you have fails like that no parts broke, just the bolts came out. And we see that a couple times a year.
Yeah.
So, yeah, just one of those things. Keep an eye on it.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
Okay, so we're heading for a side-by-side on Behind the Rocks Trail, just below Gatekeeper. Not very far in. Got Sean and Mike ahead of us in Trailmater with the trailer behind it. And I'm in Old Blue, so I'm just trying to put some miles on it, make sure everything's working. But we're gonna run out here and get this side-by-side. Four-wheel drive, and the doubler is out right now. This will be fun. Watch Sean climb up this while I try to struggle with the tiny tires. So it occasionally pops out of the doubler, which I believe has to do with the rubber boot that's around it. We adjusted it once and it helped it a lot, so I think I just need to adjust it more and it'll be pretty good. Of course, when tension's on it and you're climbing, it stays in. So I think it's gonna do pretty good. I'm already loving it. It crawls so much better. You can go slower, you can be more technical with it. And with this automatic is a huge benefit.
So what do you think? How's she wheeling?
Just let it go.
There we go. Now we got another little obstacle. guy with my little eye. That guy.
That's side by side.
Yeah, let's just pull over, we'll get a plan, and we shall execute said plan. So this one here is called the Gatekeeper. And this one here is what you call broken. You keep on turning, but nothing happened. So I guess the steering rack broke.
Got all those rocks and I was like, nah, screw this. Threw the doubler in and then it's just like...
Just walks right on through.
Just now, I noticed it just right up here, right around the corner.
We need to make new ones anyway.
Yeah. This one's been through a lot. She's had a rough go. We got the AR 3 out of 4 here, auto ratchet. That's what that stands for. They put a tow point on a side-by-side. What is this madness? Okay, you're doing good?
Hold the brake for a second. Go ahead and lock her up, Sean.
You had fun this weekend.
It was a pretty good weekend.
Why he's fighting?
So Rory told me he's gonna try a front dig.
Is that front or rear?
The front did not look like it was pulling. There it goes.
So many shifters and I don't know what to do with them all.
All right. Looking good, Sean, looking good. Not so bad. You're okay. You got it. Perfect. Well played, well played. Bro, it's so slow.
It's awesome.
Sean?
I drove all the way up and down. Roy loaded it all up. But, yeah.
All right, so we got it back here. We got it dropped off here with Dustin at Moab SxS Adventures. This is a rental of theirs. Of course, people come and rent them and then drive them like rentals. I know you have fails on it, but like I said, these Kawasaki's are probably the least that we come and get. But anyway, we got it back here, got it dropped off for them. They're gonna get it fixed, get it back out on the trail, so you guys can have fun with it. Like I said, if you want to rent a side-by-side, need your side-by-side worked on, they do trail recoveries on the side-by-sides. They help out, they're everything. So yeah, come check them out. Dustin and Moab SxS. Thanks for watching.
There is some science happening here.
To the math and science and the coefficient of the... I got nothing.
Yeah.
I can't even accidentally sound smart.
Hippity hop, hop, hop. Pow! Right here.
I'm gonna do a line of Doritos really quick.
Right.
Just kidding, we love you guys. Right, Mike?
I got nothing.
Right, Mike?